Hi and welcome, I am here today with HOMTOM S9 Plus and I'll be doing a quick camera preview on this phone. So let's go to the camera. Now as you can see there are two buttons on the bottom. As you can see, the left one is a camera. When you tap at it, as you can see, you'll start recording. Tap again to stop the recording. Now by tapping on the button on the right, we're going to simply take a photo. Now let's go to the top and actually start from the left side. Here is the panorama mode, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can create panoramic photos with it. We've got PIP mode, which is going to put a little selfie camera. Yep. We've got the blur mode, which is going to have a little blur around the edges. We have got face beauty mode, which allows us to basically make our faces more beautiful. And now we have a normal mode. As you can see on the right, we've got flash, we've got HDR mode, and whoops, I want to leave actually. And we've got the selfie camera right here. Now let's go through the settings. As you can see, we can change the face beauty settings. Whoops, no, I didn't mean to. We can change the exposure from -3 to +3. We can enable anti-flicker. We can change image properties and many other different things. And that's actually everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.